Now in this video we are going to learn about the process in Linux operating system case. So basically in this video we are going to cover multiple things about the process. What is the process, what are the types of process, what is the PID, and basically we will surely learn about the basic concept of PS command. Okay, we will just take an overview, but in detail we will make a separate video about this on PS command. Okay. So let's start with the process. If you are a CSS student and if you are an operating system student also, then I hope you are aware of process. But if not, then I am here for you guys. Okay, so let's start. So what is the process? So the basic and simple definition of process is execution of a program. Okay. So now what many of you will ask me, what is a program, sir? So program is nothing but a buddy, whatever you write in a CPP code or a Python code or a Java code, that is a program, and whenever you execute that program it becomes one of the process. But if you take a real life example of a process, here you will see many apps are there. If I will open Firefox, that will become one of the process. If I will open this Thunderbird, that will become one of the process. If you will open files, that will become one of the process. Okay, so as for definition, process is nothing but execution of a program. When you are executing any program, then you are simply creating one process in your operating system. Okay, now moving forward, what is a PID? So PID is nothing but you can say it like as a process ID. It is created by machine, by Linux machine, and what it does, which uniquely identifies the process. Suppose there are multiple processes going on in this Linux operating system, so to identify each and every process there are a unique PID. Like if you are aware of the primary key of DBMS, so it's similar like that. It uniquely identify each and every process. Okay, or if you will get a real life example of account number, so more than one account number cannot be associated with the two different people. Okay, so similarly PID also works, like it uniquely identifies the particular process. And also in Linux there are basically we learn about the two types of processes mainly, that is one is foreground, okay, and the second one is the background process. So as the name suggests, you might have guessed like what is the foreground and what is the background. So foreground means whatever the process which are run by the user. So that is the foreground process. If I will do here, what I can do, I can just do pwd. This is one of the process. If I will do who am I, it is who am I, it is one of the process. So whatever the user is entering the command or opening any kind of X application or anything happening, that is the example of the foreground process. And now if you will talk about the background process, then in this case what happens, the operating system has multiple processes which runs on the background. As for example, if you will take an example of the Microsoft Word, MS Word, so in this what happens, whatever you write in what we say in a word, then if any mistake happens, spelling mistake, then what happens in that case, it displays us the, yeah, this is your spelling mistake, it like shows in red color. So how is it possible? It's possible as the background process running on to check the spelling mistake, it might happen. Okay, so this is the concept of the background process. Okay, so in Linux, we can also create the background process using I think some kind of ampersand. I think we use ampersand to use the background process. So yeah, here you can see the 12510 PID has been created for this to do who am I as the background process. To stop this, you can hit just Control Z or Control C. Control C. Okay, so if I will do fs command, so it will display me the foreground process. I think not fs, I will need to install this command. Fs or fb it is, I am not remembering. Like we will cover this all those command and all those things in our next video. fp is there maybe? No, not, it's not there. fp is not there. Let me remember what is the concept, what are the command for the checking foreground process. Yeah, so fg is the command to get the foreground process. So here like no job is, it is showing no job. Okay, so if I will do busy, so busy is also there is no background process going on as per this operating system. So also we will learn about the some of the command like in the next lecture, that is the ps command that which displays of the process state. Okay, so right now it is displaying me the two like what we say two processes. So let me first clear the screen and surely we will learn in detail about what is the PID, TTY time, CMD in our next lecture. But let me just show you the example of the foreground process. So if I will open up this Firefox, right, let me just split the screen and I will just not Firefox, I will open this, let me open Firefox. So right now currently it's showing me like these processors, but for more you can check ps-e. Okay, so here you can see now Firefox is displaying here like 12.630. If I will close, okay, and again I will check whether it is displaying me or not. I will just check with it ps-e. Okay, so here you can see there is no Firefox, but when I will open up, so Firefox process will get added and it will display me the PID of that Firefox. So now again I will just clear the screen and I will enter this ps-e. So here you can see like now different PID is being used for the Firefox. Now to stop this process you can use kill command also. So kill command and the PID, that is 13365, and now done. So your Firefox is closed now. So that's all about yeah guys, about the process. I hope you liked it particular video, and surely in our next lecture we will get to learn about the foreground, how to get foreground, background, and the ps command. Okay, so we will learn all about these three commands and the process states in our next lecture. So thank you guys for watching this particular video, and I hope you liked it, and if you have any query then you can ask us in the comment section. Thank you guys, and we'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.